Hello, this is John with Anthem Business Solutions, and today we're going to go over how to reprint a kitchen order. So this might be a kitchen printer or a KDS or a kitchen display. It just depends on what your establishment has. But let's say you need to reprint that kitchen order. So you need to pull up the ticket that you already sent. And then down here at the bottom left, there's an option for reprint. Now it's going to give us a few options. We can reprint the customer receipt here. Now this is not the receipt with the tip on it. So if you need the receipt with the tip on it, I have that in another video. But let's say we wanted to reprint this ribeye dinner to the kitchen. So we would select kitchen. We can preview it, make sure that's the right one. And then when we're ready to select what printer we want to send it to, we can select the kitchen printer to resend it. And then it should send it. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. Want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.